In just 48 hours from now, there is going to be an opportunity of the decade that you really don't want to miss. Two of my mentors, Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, are going live for a rare free training that will help transform your life. Now, when I say that, I literally mean it can transform your life. If you are living a life that is unfulfilling, you're working a job that just isn't giving you enough money, it isn't giving you enough fulfillment, and you feel stuck, or maybe you are in a business that's doing okay, but you want to take it to the next level, this training is something that you really do not want to miss. You know, I can think back to when I was in school and I used to think about what I wanted to do. People would always have a path that they would follow, but maybe that path isn't right for everyone. And the path that I'm talking about is you go to school, you go to college, you go to university, and you get your traditional formal education with the idea that it helps you in the real world get a job that pays well so that you can live a life that makes you happy. Now, the problem is, I remember when I went to university, it was expensive to go there. And by the time I finished, there were actually not many jobs and there was too many applicants applying for them. And I also realized that I just went to university because it was the next thing to do. And I didn't even enjoy it. It was unfulfilling for me. And that's not to say for everyone it is that case. But the idea of living this traditional way, and then you get a mortgage, you get married, you have kids, you're paying off all of these student loans, you're paying off your mortgage, and maybe you get a couple of holidays a year or every other year or something like that, and then you retire with a little bit of savings. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, that is one of the scariest thoughts possible, because I know what it's like to feel stuck in life. When I lost my friend in 2010, it was a wake-up call for me, and I realized that life can be very short. And I believe that all of us have the ability, we all have the knowledge within us and the passion and desire to create a life that is meaningful and fulfilling, something where we can help other people. Now, this training is going to share with you some amazing information that's going to help you uncover the gifts that you have inside of yourself. So if you are working a job you don't like, or you want to take your life to another level, then you have the knowledge, or you can acquire the knowledge to turn that into a profitable business. You can work doing what you love and helping other people. And at the end of the day, you can have as much money as you want in life. You can have shiny objects left, right, and center. You can have the nicest cars, the best homes. You can go on all of these holidays. But if you're not doing something that's fulfilling inside, there's always going to be a part of you that feels like you're missing out on something. So this is something that's actually, it's nothing to do with getting rich quick at all. So if that's something you're interested in, then this is definitely not for you. But if you actually want to make a difference in the world, if you want to wake up every day and you want to have a sense of purpose, you want to feel fulfilled and help other people in what you do, then you really do not want to miss this training. I promise you, if you take action and you visit this, click the link below. It's completely free training, and it's going to share with you how you can take your life to the next level. I can't wait to see you there 48 hours from now, Thursday. Mark it in your calendars, and I'll see you there.
Most people aren't going to succeed. And if you're going to be the exception, not the rule, you got to understand what stops people from succeeding. Most people don't live the life of their dreams. You know it, I know it. Most people in North America are not fit and healthy. They are not in the relationship they want, where there's love and passion sustained over decades. Most people are not earning what they want to earn. Most people are not as happy as they really want to be.
Trying to figure out my why. Why do I exist? What's my purpose?
I had no idea why I was working here. I was starting from scratch and I had absolutely no momentum.
I'm here because Dean and myself want to see you be able to have the same joy we have. This joy of being able to take what's inside your head or other people's heads that can really be useful and make it an enjoyable process for people to learn on their own, to tap this power of self-education from learning from people that know what they're talking about because they're producing the results consistently. It has nothing to do with biography. It has nothing to do with background. It has nothing to do with resources. Resources are not the problem. The problem is people are not resourceful enough. And so in this very first session, before we get into the content, you and I have to get really clear, what does it take to succeed? And the answer is massive, relentless action. And I've been obsessed my entire life with the few who do versus the many who talk, versus the many who have excuses, versus the many who have reasons why it won't work out. But reasons aren't going to get you where you want to go. Results come from an obsession with getting yourself to take action.
I created my first live event, an online subscription-based program, and I'm getting ready to go live in August.
I'm looking to open my first mastermind in about 2 weeks' time.
I know how to launch a good project. I know how to bring it to fruition. So that is what my mastermind is going to be about.
I wrote a book. I have an online course. I have launched more masterminds. I do weekly masterminds. I have a monthly one.
This is the perfect platform for you to discover precisely what you're capable of.
Really help others, make an impact. That's really what I want.
I'm in an industry where I've seen so many people come and go over the decades, and here I am 42 years later, and the difference is the ability to understand momentum. I would make a decision today about how you're going to play this game. If you play this game right, if you play this game for mastery, not dabbling, it's going to be one of the best investments you ever made in your life, but it's going to require you executing. Am I making sense? If I sound like I'm pushing hard on you, I am. It's because I want you to have the victories that you deserve. If you have enough hunger, then you have what it takes to make it happen, but you're going to have to get yourself in the right habits. And if you're watching this, you're either one of those people and want to dig it out, or you see those people and you want to bring their gifts to the world as your gift to the world.
If you'd like to join Tony Robbins and I for our special webcast training, click the link below right now and reserve your spot. If you'd like to learn how to take what you know, your knowledge, your expertise, your experience, share it with others, then you can't miss this training. Click the link below and reserve your spot before it's too late.